Guys, as you can see, my apps is unable to verify and it's happening frequently. But today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can get it back. And also you can see all sign servers are not working right now. iOS Ninja is not working because it's get revoked, and they will fix it really soon. Even app ignition is not working, Tutu app is not working, and app valley is not working. So as you can see, I'm in a jailbroken mode, so my Cydia will come. Okay, so in your case it might be like something, you lost your jailbreak, maybe your devices got restart and something happens, so you want to get it back again. So I'm gonna show you how you can get it back. So for demonstrate, I'll restart my device. So I'll be in iOS stock mode again, so I will not be in the jailbroken mode. So just watch this video till the end so that you will get idea what I'm doing. And also I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Cydia error, how you can get Cydia working again. Okay, now you can see I'm in iOS stock mode, I'm not a jailbroken. So you can see app is unable to verify. So to fix that, go to the setting and in general and in Safari, and there you can see clear history and website data. Just go ahead and clear that, and then I want you to go to setting and just make your mobile on flight mode. Just put it on flight mode and then open Uncover. See, you can see the Uncover is got open here. Just click on jailbreak and that simple, you can get jailbreak. Let's say your mobile is stuck somewhere when you're jailbreaking. So what you gonna do? So as you can see, my jailbreak is my device is jailbroken. And now we go to the setting. I'll show you, just reload daemon system, just make it off and just start jailbreaking if your device is getting stuck. And again, once it's jailbroken, just go ahead and start that reload daemons. So that's how you're gonna get jailbreak running smoothly. So the next trick is how sometimes I observe that Cydia doesn't work when app gets revoked. So to work Cydia again, when you're re-jailbreaking your device, I'm gonna show you which toggle you need to on and off when you wanted to make Cydia work again. So just watch this video till the end, so you will get some clear idea about how Cydia will work again perfectly. So just open Uncover. Okay, as you can see, my device is already jailbreak because I didn't restarted my device. And there we go, you can see the Cydia is not working. So to fix that, I'm gonna show you the various method that how you're gonna fix Cydia fully working. So first thing first, off the reload daemons and go to the flight mode and re-jailbreak again. So this method, when this method works actually, when a lot of tweaks are there, and when you try to jailbreak, it will get stuck at this point and you need to hard reset and then again re-jailbreaking. So this method will always works actually. Just go ahead and off that reload daemons and it's always should work. Now you can see the jailbreak mode, I'm still there and it's perfectly jailbroken. Now just go to the setting and again just turn on that reload daemons and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and check the Cydia should work right now. Okay, it's crashed again, so it's not fully working right now. To fix that, I'm gonna show you the second method. Just go to the setting in Uncover and just try to reinstall Cydia again. Just on reinstall Cydia toggle and put it on flight mode and start jailbreaking again. So we're gonna check all the options here. I hope this time it should work. Let's check the Cydia and bang, that's not working again. And the last and the best tricks that I'm gonna show you, that just go ahead and toggle on for the reset Cydia cache. So this is, I'm damn sure it should work this time, and just guys stick with me, this time it should really work. Now we are in the jailbroken mode, and 1 2 3 4 and bang, it's open. Just we need to on the internet, and there we go. Just reload it. Boom, we got Cydia finally. Guys, if you're still watching this video, you guys have seen this, how we solve the problem. So guys, go ahead and download it. Once it is get revoked, you will not gonna get it. So just go ahead and download it as soon as you've seen this video. And I hope you appreciated. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for the new upcoming videos. Guys, also join me on social medias. I'm gonna link it down below in the description. Guys, also if you have any doubt about this video, just go ahead and comment in the comment section. I'll give you reply for the real time. I'll do a lot of this kind of videos. So thank you guys. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.